Welcome to Creamer Media's Resources Watch, a weekly video roundup of the events and people making and shaping the news in the mining industry. This week, Sibanye Gold's CEO says there's no need to go deeper to grow the company. Kumba Iron Ore says the Sishen ramp-up is equal to another Kolomela in 1 year. And Pan-African shifts its focus away from acquisitions. The newly listed, proudly South African Sibanye Gold, unbundled out of Goldfields, doesn't have to go deeper to grow the business, says CEO Neil Froneman.
Sibanye is not focused on going deeper until there's very clear progress in terms of technology. We do not have to go deeper to grow our business or sustain it. I've reviewed the safety performance of the assets that now sit in Sibanye. Certainly since I ran one of them in 2002, there's been huge improvements in safety. There's been appropriate application of technology.
The waste ramp-up project planned at the Sishen Iron Ore mine in the Northern Cape, which last year's unprotected strike interrupted, had the potential to deliver the equivalent of another Kolomela mine in just 1 year, says Kumba Iron Ore CEO Norman Mbazima.
The operations, particularly at Sishen, to make sure that the ramp-up in West that we are planning, which brings into really another Kolomela within 1 year at Sishen, that we can achieve that and we can get the efficiencies that we want to do and get the cost to the right level.
As precious metals miner Pan-African Resources wrapped up its latest acquisition, the Evander operations from gold miner Harmony, the JSE and AIM-listed company plans to shift its focus to developing its portfolio of operations.
We are not looking post this transaction to go and buy anything else. Our focus will be on leveraging the current organic growth opportunities at Barberton and at Evander and at Phoenix. So that will be the focus of the group. And we have a significant project pipeline in terms of that. If you look at this project pipeline, all the way from operating mine, all the way down to identify target, you can see that our focus is on projects that are near term or very close to production. We are not looking at greenfields exploration. The only advanced exploration we're looking at is at Barberton, the Amira and the Eagle Nests targets. But for the rest, we are all dealing with projects that are sitting at pre-feasibility level and onwards.
For mining news as it breaks, stay logged on to miningweekly.com and register for our free daily newsletter.